Okay, now to draw it in perspective. Essentially I'll leave that there. Your assignment says you need to draw in perspective. Here's how you do it at home. I've been to the local fruit shop and grabbed the lid off a box. So I'll spin that 90 degrees just so it fits a bit neater in the frame. That there looks good enough. Let's say here's ground level. I'm going to draw it roughly to scale. So there's 22.5, there's 450, there's 800. I'm working off my drawing from earlier. 750 or whatever it is, 700 and whatever. That's about it. That's going to be where it's touching the surface. The reason why I have this cardboard box is there's a couple of pins. A couple of nails from the garage, a couple of pins, a couple of whatevers. I'm going to make this so I'm basically looking at it as though it's disappearing that way. Like that in the drawing. So that's going to be fairly close, and I'm going to be looking at it from standing above. So there's the human body. Drawn to about size. There you go. That's sitting. That's basically about a teenager. Height of that's about 1.6 meters, I think. Yep, that's 1.6 meters. So let's put the eye line about there, where I've put that pin. Is my finger in the view? Yes, just. It is now. And over here, this one is my finger in the view, I think. Yep. Okay. So that can be, once again, I'll just align this so it's sitting flat on the screen because the camera is skewed at an angle to the desk. That'll do us. So now from here, I know that that's the height of the front, that's the height of the back. Why have I got the pin in there? Because I'm just putting the ruler against the pin. This is a sticky wax paper box. The paper is physically stuck to it. Over here is the other eye line. It's just pushed up hard against the pin. Measure from there, measure to there. Now here essentially I'm going to have a box of some description. A rectangle. Let's start drawing it in a rectangle. There's everything going back to the vanishing point. Coming back here, if that's 800, that's about 1.2. And there you go, there's the next one down. So they're two identically sized boxes. From there to there. Okay, what I've done there, see how this distance from there to there is smaller than this to this? That's because as things get further away from you, they get smaller. I used a technical measurement to figure it out, but don't be too fussed about it. Just, if you leave it as it is, I'm happy with that. Actually should have been there, but I'm not going to die in a ditch. Okay, so from here, that one there, there's a gentle curve like so. That's just drawing where it ends. Find any bit of cardboard at home, anything that you don't mind sticking a pin into to draw this into. So there's the seat, dripping back a bit, coming up. On the base, as you know, I've got the what do they call them? A frustrum, part of a cone. In here, I've got another part of the cone. So everything's always going back to the pins that I've got jammed in the box. The ruler doesn't go up any further than that where the pin is. I don't know if it's showing clearly on the video or not. but I've basically used a pin to stop where the things are going. So that one in there, I've got a half cone disappearing up, oops sorry, half cone disappearing back up to there, conical shape, that's flat on the front, disappearing back in, then from there that's coming out and around and back, it's coming out and around to there's that line there from the back of that seat to there, the side of this seat goes back to there, so it's basically spinning around a bit better like that. That's a perspective view of the chair. In here, underneath here, coming down to here, there's the back line of that. We've got the leg disappearing up and coming from the bottom down to there, and about there is the other leg. How do I know? Because that one there, that one there, that one there, they're all in a pretty good line. Okay. We've picked a fairly difficult thing to draw as an introductory perspective because of the curves, but just feel comfortable that I'm happy enough with you having a go. You have a go, you get reasonable marks. The only way you won't get a go is if you don't attempt stuff. Now that one's coming out the front there, coming back this way. Done. So there's that chair, 3/4 drawn. Okay, let me just get another bit of paper on top of that. And now I'll just sketch out neater my line work. At home, hold this up to a window, will work a lot better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, I'm missing that part of the seat. So that'll do us just as our first rough drawing of the chair. So, repeating, that's how I want you to draw a perspective. Find any old bit of cardboard, anything old, and literally, if you can, drive a pin in it and use that to pivot the ruler. Now you can see it in there. So I've just got the pin as the pivot point.